during a few racist tirades. Former senior U.S. national security official Stuart Seldowitz, who was caught in a video that threatened the halal car seller during the Manhattan halal car seller, was rapidly released on Thursday after his arrest. Former Presidents George W. Bush, Barack Obama, the infamous former diplomat, online, been defined as a few videos online showing that he has repeatedly visited a halal street seller on the Upper East Side and issued barbaric threats, Islamophobic explanations. He was defined by journalist Mohammed Al-Kurd, and Seldowitz then admitted that he was the man in the Daily Monster. He arrested Seldowitz on Wednesday. He threatened to injure the Mons family, but he spent less time to follow him in custody. On the Thursday, he was rapidly brought to a 64-year-old New York State judiciary and allowed him to go immediately. According to New York Post, Seldowitz's lawyer Scott Bookstein told James Kleins, the judge criminal court said, that pieces deprived hate Muslims or others. Bookstein said, I want court, prosecution, media and the public know that allegations attributed to my client know that Stuart Seldowitz is 100 antithetics for who it is, what their basic beliefs are. Justice James G. Kleins put Seldowitz to release a controlled release before a potential hearing. In case of wearing the law, Seldowitz encounters New York's terrible Rikers Island prison for up to a year. After watching hateful attacks of Seldowitz from all over city, New York people came together to support halal cart operator Mohammed Hussein and emphasized that Julie Menon, a member of Municipal Assembly, is not a place in our community. Videos. Seldowitz and Hussein on sidewalk. How walk into small, sea blue food car and encourage him for a few minutes, saying him terrorist. Holy Book Quran as something else, toilet paper, and directly threatened let Mons family torture. Feared Egyptian Mukhabarat intelligence agency. When they return to Egypt, Mukhabarat will take your family in Egypt. The threats had a completely new level of gravity while thinking about Seldowitz's past high-level positions and diplomatic connections. During Obama administration, he was a national security advisor in 2009 as president at Elite National Security Council of an. Also from 1999 the U.S. State Department spent years as Deputy Director Israel and Palestinian Affairs. 2003. In 2011, he worked at Bloomberg View editorial board. He rubbed pages of Facebook, LinkedIn, who documented his support to Israel, and said that New York lobbying company Gotham worked in government relations that a press release listed itself as foreign president.